A common question people have about financial technology companies is where they're located. Some have a global presence, but their main operations are in one spot. Today we're looking at Lemonway, a pan-European payment institution. So, where is Lemonway headquartered? Lemonway is a fintech company that focuses on payment solutions for marketplaces and crowdfunding platforms. They're a regulated institution, which is a big deal in the financial world. They have to comply with a whole host of rules and regulations. This is what allows them to manage payments and e-wallets across different countries. So, given their pan-European status, you might expect their headquarters to be in a major European financial hub like London, Frankfurt, or maybe even Luxembourg. But the answer is actually Paris, France. More specifically, their main office is located at 8 Rue du Sentier in the heart of Paris. It's a city known for many things: art, history, incredible food, but it's also a significant hub for finance and technology in Europe. Having their headquarters here allows them to be at the center of the European tech scene and maintain close ties to French regulatory bodies like the ACPR. While Paris is their home base, Lemonway has also established offices in other key European cities, including London, Madrid, Milan, and Hamburg. This distributed presence is a smart move, helping them better serve their clients across the continent and navigate the different regulatory landscapes in each country. So, while Lemonway serves a wide European audience, its roots are firmly planted in Paris. It's a key part of their identity as a leading French fintech company with a truly international reach.